Hello, welcome back to another day for the Black Country Birding YouTube channel. Today, using the Canva app, I'm going to see if text to image, using like an AI generator thing on Canva, text to image can recognise different birds. Like if I type in a bird name, like, I don't know, robin. These are all going to be UK birds. Let's see if it will come up with anything. Quite an easy one there, robin. Everyone knows what a robin. Oh, that's pretty good. They have obviously, and you can set the style. That's pretty good. That is very good. By the way, at the end of this, I'm going to make it a video with this. I'll go think. Okay then, let's try some more. Let's see if a blue tit will do it. Obviously it comes up with offensive words. Well, how can I rephrase them? Dictating words at myself. Oh god, I guess it's a... Oh well, a blue tit is not used. It's a bird. Type of bird. It's not meant to be used because a tit in old language, tit used to mean small. It didn't mean anything. Just wanted to get that over. What about then? Tawny owl. You probably just come up with loads of owls. Oh my god! It comes up with that. That is brilliant. Okay, tawny owl. That is good, you know. Do you have like the eyes on that one though? That is very good. I'm just thinking, if it can recognise a tawny owl, that's quite good. Okay, so let's put in. Oh, is that a robin song? Okay, so what should I go for next? How about... What about... Of course, it's really hard to think. Oyster catcher. Now, oyster catcher is a really nice bird. I'm hoping it does. It actually comes up with an oyster catcher. It's what an oyster catcher looks like as well. That is so good. I'm not going to be using these. But normally all the videos I do are like my own photos. I just wanted to test this out just to see if AI, if it text to image, if you type in a bird or something, show you the bird. Okay, let's go with. I've done the robin, so how about turtle dove? And actually, you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to start again, and I'm going to do 3D. Let's do 3D, because you can choose your own style. That was on photo currently. So we could do... blue. No, I don't want to do that. Black. No. Oi. Ooh. Let's go with turtle dove then. Turtle dove. 3D style. Come on. It comes up with a dove, and it does look like a turtle dove. It's not very good though. I mean, personally, a turtle dove is not like that. But it does have a turtle back and everything. Ooh, Mr. Robin's on his perch again in my garden. Okay, so let's go with a painting. Let's go with painting. Can put. Oh, we could do a funny one for this one. Let's do a funny one for this one. Let's do a bird on a. I don't know. Actually, no. Let's see if it knows. Because I can't do any of the tip family because it's just going to pick up the T word even though it's not. Let's do a ying next. No. Let's just go random and let's just say Yedshank. Unless it picks up the Z. It comes up with a Yedshank as well. Yes. Oh, that. So anyway, we're going to end it there. See you in the next one. Bye.